Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to RWD Status, chilling with your boy Status. And here's another update video for you guys on the Dirty 30, the RB30. She's still sitting there waiting for her heart transplant.
What about your boy?
You got this guy here.
It's the Dirty 30?
Dirty 30. RB30det. Alright, so anyway, back to the update. We've assembled very few things. Mainly, the main issue was finding all the appropriate parts that we needed. So I'll take you over there to the RB30, which is on the other side of his SC over here. Anyway, we just finished up the throttle bodies. I just sanded all this shit. It's been a pain in the ass. Try to get these gaskets nice and clean. We're gonna throw this on real quick. So what's up, bro? How you feeling? Think this is gonna be cool?
Yeah, I love working on 2 days.
Oh, fuck you. Too gay. This is the real deal right
check
here.
it out, check it out. You guys at home, check this out. Might be an RB30 trick.
Okay. That fitting there?
Yeah, so I blocked this off. I blocked this water line off, but now I'm starting to think that we could, now that it's tapped out, we could thread something in and then run it to this port here, because it would send like coolant that's fresh coolant from the radiator directly to the back of the intake. Because right now we have our block getting fresh coolant from the front, but our head, all of the coolant has no way of circulating. So I think, I mean, it could be either way, but I think that that might help.
All right, guys. So we got the power steering pump on, water pumps on, oil pumps on. Most of the timing components are here. However, we can't do timing just yet because of a small issue. We'll get that taken care of hopefully ASAP this week, because the car needs to be done this week. That's the goal. Putting the intake manifold on right now. As you can see, already got most of it on. Here, let me see if I can get you a better view in there. Damn, she is looking sexy, guys. I can't wait. Anyway, let's get this throttle body on real quick. Alright, so we got our gaskets on. There's two sets of gaskets for the throttle bodies. These actually go behind the throttle body. Throttle body goes up. Let me see if I can maneuver this up here, one-handing this. It's upside down. Hold on. Alright, like I said, gasket goes in the back there. Throttle body goes on top of there. And then you have another set of gaskets that are going to go right here. So we're going to drop these gaskets on. Simple stuff, my dude. Simple stuff. Voila! And now it's time for the manifold. Alright, so tech tip of the day. RB tip of the day.
So I wound up just randomly tapping this for some AN stuff, and it worked out. So we're gonna go from this piece here that we have we blocked off. Usually people just get it welded or capped off. We're gonna wind up running it to here. I know it's probably kind of hard to see, but that you can see the fitting here at the end, and it's gonna run from here. So that way, when the thermostat opens, it's gonna send cold or, you know,
cooler air. Cooler coolant.
Cooler coolant to the back of the head, because this tube is bypassing all the heat that's created in all these cylinders and going directly to the back of the block, which is great. And now we're going to do that for the head. So that's how you get your temperature differentials when cylinder 6 and it's scratched. I mean, at least I like the idea.
And I was also thinking about putting some knock sensors in here, because you have these two side pieces right here, whereas on the other side that you can put your knock sensors on.
Yeah, that would probably be a good idea to get knock sensors. And you have the AM Infinity, so it's definitely gonna have a knock sensor stuff.
All right, but this thing is definitely coming together, guys. As you can see, she's looking pretty badass. And we already ordered the exhaust manifold, so that will be here sometime in the next few days. And once that's on, that's pretty simple. You know, we'll just throw on the exhaust manifold, throw the turbo on top of that, work on the downpipe after it gets into the S13 over there. She's looking a little sexy over there hiding. Yeah, I'm super excited, guys.
I'm interested in this blue SC. That's really cool.
Yeah, if you are interested in this blue SC, that's really cool over here.
It is for sale.
And you know what I'm saying? And you're looking for some V8 in your life, a little bit of carbon fibre,
Carbon fibre Orlando.
carbon fibre Orlando.
Look at this.
Then,
People
you know,
I pop the hood on my fucking car and people are like, what is that? Is that a fucking LS? And I tell them, yeah, it's a fucking LS. What do you think? I'm fucking running some bullshit ass Japanese piece of crap.
Anyway, guys, go check out his channel. It's over there at SC Factory, right there. All right, but now back to this. So basically, I just gotta get the bolts. I'm gonna mount up this throttle body right here, and things are gonna get serious. Oh man, I can't believe this. So, gonna do my best to make sure that everything works out with this right here. We're gonna get her done, get her did, and we're gonna keep on working here. Give a shout out to my sponsors. You know, big shout out to CFT Shop, Rolo. Big shout out to Boss Automotive, Dennis. Big shout out to SC Factory over there, hiding. Where is he? Where's this guy? Hold on. Where's this guy at? There he goes. Big shout out right here to this guy right here. SC Factory Aricio. You know what I mean? And yeah, all right. Let's gonna show you where we're at right before we end this vlog today. And as you can see, we got the intake manifold is completely on. Just got to bolt it down just a little bit. I mean, well, tighten them up anyway, torque it down. All right, there we go. It was a little too blurry for me. But, you know, we got the intake manifold and everything on. ITBs are set. Everything's looking pretty good. So we're about to just, you know, finish a few more things. Got to get the timing on, like I said. And seal the cams up, throw some spark plugs in here. And we should be good to go. All right, guys, that's going to be it for today. Thanks for tuning in and showing some love. Don't forget to leave a little comment down there and give me a thumbs up and subscribe, guys. I'll see you next time on RWD Status. Peace out.
You sold your soul to the evil and the lust and the fashion and the money.